Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Redmi Note 14S. Alright, so let's begin. The process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So, we want to open up the WhatsApp and now click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we have possibility to open up the settings. Once we are here, we want to click on the chats. Now scroll down a little bit until you find the chat backup, and now under the Google account, select the Google account on which you want to create a backup. It will be stored in the Google One. Basically it is the Google Cloud, and there the backup will be stored on that specific account. If you want to, you can click on add to add another one. In here you need to wait a little bit. Now in this bar you can type your second email, and also if you want, you can create a new account by clicking on that button right in here. And also remember that in the future, when you want to restore your backup, you will need to be logged into the same Google account on which you are making the backup. It is crucial, so remember about it. And now below we also have option about the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, but we can pick between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. It is completely up to you, but in my opinion weekly or monthly is one of the best modes. Currently I set it on weekly, and that means that each week the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually. So if you are using a lot of WhatsApp, you have a lot of messages and you don't want them to get lost, you can enable the automatic backups also. Now below also we have the option to include the videos. As you can see, currently it's enabled, and now the videos will be simply backupped also. And now on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup if you choose to turn it on. In here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup in the future. So it is completely up to you. And now once everything is selected and ready, we need to click on that green button, backup now. Alright, now the process will start. It's not gonna take long because I don't have many messages. Alright, now it's created. Above the backup button we can see the hour on which the last backup was made, and below we have its size. And that's all. That's the whole process. Now the backup is successfully made. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.